Oh no. Damn it, that hurts. Shit. You gotta try to run her. Pressure on behind the SS. God, this thing is melts.
Down.
Not good.
You want a milkshake for? You want that milkshake you had for lunch or what?
Yeah, that's it.
The coolant is gone.
Coolant and oil.
I mean, it's all in the engine.
Coolant tank's empty.
In the
I'd
oil
like to get this
pan.
in a lift, really, but
What's happening with this? You know, it had some sort of failure there, and oil's in the coolant, and the coolant is in the oil.
yeah,
Which is not where you want it to be.
yeah, you want those things separate. Whatever it is, cylinder 7 was the I think is something wrong because that spark plug is one that looks like it's been dipped in the milkshake.
Oh.
5 was also a little wet, so
Plugs you're saying?
yeah.
Okay.
So whatever happened, it's got to go to the driver's side. Now we're gonna pull the head off.
It's not what you want your oil to look like.
No. It's what you want a milkshake to look like, not your engine oil.
Oh man.
So I just made like my normal thing.
There's so much coolant in that.
I was forgot to drain the fucking area coolant.
Uh-oh.
That's part of it.
Okay.
See, come around here and see the sleeve here on cylinder 1 is cracked all the way down. That'll do it 10 out of 10 times.
Cracked sleeve, not good. So I guess we'll be pulling the whole motor out.
Yeah.
More than likely.
See what the guy wants to do. Ta-da! Now it's out.
Yeah, it's out. What's the plan with this drone? Is it
What's the plan? Plan with it? Taking this one out and putting a new one in.
Mm-hmm. I'm sure it's this one.
We got one from Texas Speed over there.
Oh, okay, it's already here.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Came fast. They held them stuff. So that's dope.
Wasn't sure if maybe this one was gonna get sent out and refreshed or.
Nah. That would have been the option if Texas Speed was super far out.
Yeah.
Which is becoming more likely. But they had one, so.
Yeah. Well, it's lucky for this guy.
In the interest of time, we're rocking out.
Look at that fresh Texas Speed engine. This thing's looking nice.
The engine's nice.
Looking fresh and new. You know, unlike the other one.
It certainly is new.
Unlike the other engine, you know.
Yeah, it's not new.
It's not new yet.
It's not new. It's just a milkshake holder right now.
What all you gotta do to prep this thing before you throw it back in?
You know, pretty much everything. So came back in, all that's all the timing components, windage tray. I have to put the spacers on there because since it's the style of the crank and it's rotating, the rod bolts come really close to the sides. You don't hit now, but when it heats up, everything will expand.
Okay.
And it'll hit, so they give you these spacers to bring it away, so it doesn't hit it. Yeah, put the can back in, put our heads back in, so clean the heads off. Already cleaned the pan, waiting on my gasket for that. This is getting a new clutch, so we're doing that, especially just reassembling the whole engine back together. Put our heads pan back on it, and then, what's it called? Then we can throw it back in. So I'm still waiting on some stuff over here Monday, oil pump, oil cooler, gaskets, so I'm going to do what I can today, clean everything, get it ready, so Monday can go back in.
Driving home.
Is he saying like actual words?
It doesn't sound like it. It's terrible.
Walk out there and turn the shit off.
Sure Bill's loving it back there.
Sounds like he's fucking yodeling.
We got London on the track.
Yeah, London on the track.
Kyle, looks like you got it on there.
Almost all the way.
What'd you say?
The rear wheel's turning.
Yes.
Cool.
Well, this thing's all back together, pretty much.
Pretty much. Yeah,
Pretty much.
Let's see the intake
Just
on.
about.
It's gonna fire. I'm gonna fire it up tonight. It's gonna get all the Earl. I'm taking a lot of this shit.
Break-in oil.
Yeah.
Is the break-in oil like a little thicker?
Yeah, it's 10W40,
Okay.
and it's got like additives in it for because it's all like fresh metal to metal surfaces.
Yeah.
All right, C6Z, we put a motor in. It probably won't need a ton of changes because I tuned it before we did the motor, so that was the only thing we changed. Did you VHT that? I think it blew the tires off. Sounded like it did, at least. Yeah, torque's 438. What you doing, Garrett? Go. .564, 506. Obviously, this thing's going to make less than it made heads cam just because of how much heavier the rotating assembly is. It's just the nature of the beast. I was just trying to figure out compression on this motor. It's like 11.5, so it lost like a half a point of compression, and it's a way heavier rotating assembly. So that's why it's down on power, but we'll see if we can minimize the power loss. Stock titanium rods and a non-forged piston is like super light, so that's why the LS7s make killer power, just heads cam. Well, I'll let this thing cool for a minute. I'll be back. All right, cold pull in this thing. See where we got. I guess wideband's not working, but whatever. Air fuel's fine. Wideband didn't work at all. Like, I don't even know if it's in the pipe. Huh? Is it not in the pipe? Is it in the...
Try to pull it out.
Yeah, because I think the valves keep closing. I guess this thing doesn't have a mild to wild. So they're opening and closing all the time, so that's why it's stuck in there.
Burning my eyeball.
Sorry. It don't matter. Air fuel's fine. I'm just doing it for a cold pull. Same thing as the other day, 572. 509 torque. But like I said, we dropped compression on this thing. It's obviously got a heavier rotating assembly in it. We did a clutch, whatever. It's strong. If he wants to throw some boost at this thing, fucking fuel system boost, it'll make 1,000 all day. No issues. Ready to go. Later.